Hey, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. And so today I wanted to go over the Keltner channel. I want to teach you how to utilize this indicator so that you can utilize it to your profitability. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. Yeah. All right. So as you see here on the chart, we're actually on the British pound sterling and the US dollar on the 30-minute chart. And so we're going to utilize this chart for our explanation here. And so we have the Keltner channel here, which is in the purple, all right? And then the you see the settings here as well, all right? And then we have the stochastic down here, which we will utilize for confluence, which is wonderful. And then so you see the settings for the stochastic here as well, okay? All right, and so let's get down to the strategy. All right, wonderful. And so when you look at this area with the Keltner channel, the way we utilize this indicator is looking at their overbought or oversold areas. All right, so when price has exhausted in either area. All right, and so that's the same way we use the stochastic as well, okay? So when you have candles above the channel and not inside the channel, this is where price is overbought, all right? When you have candles below the channel, but not inside the channel, this is where price is oversold, all right? So once we have, like this had a bearish trend here, and then we had this hammer here, and then once we had that hammer there, the next candlestick we could enter because this is inside the channel. So you're looking at the candle that's going to enter the channel, all right? And for confluence, you can actually utilize this, your stochastic. So as you know, with stochastic, as you saw price moving downward here, price was moving downward here as well, all right? And so once price moved downward, and you saw here where price was over sold down here with the stochastic in the 20 area. And you know, with the stochastic, just to note, just in case you don't know how to utilize it. All right. And so you have the 80 here and the 20 here. And so with the stochastic, when you have price up here, it is overbought, and down here is oversold, okay? And so looking at this area here, we have the bearish trend here. And you see here, price was moving downward as well towards that 20. And so when price moved downward and it came back up, it crossed in this area. And that same area, you do have that reversal candle there as well. And price began pushing upward. And so this could be your confluence with the Keltner channel to move upward, okay? And then you can enter the trade at this point here. All right, and if you're utilizing it for binary options, of course, you'll set it for about 2 minutes or so. 2 minutes. Some people like 3. 2 minutes is great. And then once you enter the trade, you write it out for 2 minutes. And looking at this, for that second candle, it should be above. All right, so you'll be able to be profitable, all right? And so looking at that, and then as you see here, price moved downward here after being overbought. All right, and then cross here. All right, and the same here, as you see here, we do have that engulfing candle here. Looking at the stochastic here, you see where it crossed here. And so you will enter the trade here. All right, for your confluence, you see this. So you enter the trade here and then write price down. And so again, if you're doing your binary options, you can utilize that for 2 minutes so that you can actually receive your profits on this particular trade, all right? So you'll be profitable. So you can use the stochastic as your confluence, all right? All right, so let's look at this area here. All right, and we see here where price was moving up, and then we did have something on the inside here, but it did cross here. All right, usually I stay away from these type of trades, but Some people actually will enter. Usually I try to make sure that my trade is actually in the overbought or oversold area to make sure I do have a really profitable trade, all right? So you really want a high quality trade. You do. All right? And even though with that too, make sure even you're looking at this area. So enter your trades on your Keltner channel, like once you see that they are in the overbought and oversold areas as well, okay? Not just looking at the stochastic, but also your Keltner channel. So really with this strategy, you want to make sure that that area is up here or down here, and you have that reversal, and then you have your confluences down here on your stochastic, okay? So we want to make sure, again, we want to have high quality trades, more profitable trades as well. And also be patient, all right? Be patient. Don't be so anxious to get into a trade and then all of a sudden, hey, you lose money, you know? So, you know, make sure that the setup is perfect for you. You have those confluences, and then you make sure you understand what the strategy is, when you will enter and when you will not enter, okay? And so set those rules for yourself so that when you're trading, you can have more profitable trades, okay? So we want to make sure we are profitable. All right, and so this is the Keltner channel. I hope it was beneficial to you. Hope this helped you in your trading journey. Excuse me. Your trading journey. I hope that this helps you on your trading journey, most definitely. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.